Hello and welcome to my new video in my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna present to you a watch. No, sorry, I'm not gonna present this watch. There is nothing to present. I'm gonna change the glass of this watch. I'm gonna show you how to change the glass of Seiko Lord Matic. The watch is very nice. It's 40 years old, something like that, 35, 40 years old. And it has this problem, crack on the screen. So, crack on the screen, we have to do something. Of course, I'm prepared for that. I have ordered a brand new glass from Japan. No cracks on this one. So, first thing we have to do is to open the bracelet. The bracelet of this watch must be open for can we work easy. So with this small screwdriver, I'm gonna press right here to separate the bracelet. Now how you see this side here, we've got tunnels, two of them. They are not there in the other side. So this side with the tunnels, I'm gonna push with my big screwdriver. I'm gonna push right here. So now we have to be very careful. I'm gonna push a bit on top, and the case and the movement now are separate. So have to remove the glass. Oh, easy step. We're not gonna need it, this one anymore. I see the seal here. It's not very well, but it's old watch, so old watches sometimes has problems like this one. So you see the seal. I'm gonna press it back there, and where is the new glass? New. And we're gonna put the new one. I think must be this side. See some dust, which I'm not happy with that dust. I've got very nice brush here, and I'm gonna try to remove a bit of it. I think looks better now. So new glass must go stay there, don't move, like this. Yes. Now I'm gonna check how is everywhere, all sides looks very nice. So movement down and case comes on top of it. Very gently push first one side, after that the other. Let's see the result. Yes, I think, yeah. I'm not sure. It's good. I'm gonna open it again. It's not good enough. So very gently remove. Let me check the seal. Yeah, it looks good. So I'm gonna try again. How you see, there are pins. This one, and 2 pins other side. So we've got holes here. This one, and all I need to do is to press the case on top of the movement, and the pins will do the other. So I'm gonna try this time to push this side first, and after that this side. So let's see the result. This time it's better. How you see there is no gaps, and the movement, between the movement and the case there is no gaps. This is the model of this Seiko. It's a 5606 5060 Seiko Lord Matic, and the serial number on the bottom, Japan. So that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching this video. You can subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thank you very much, and bye bye.